you in automatically.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
wait, should I leave the meeting and come back in?
No. Just for the next one.
Okay, cool.
And, where do I find the background?
In the Axelar chat with everyone else.
Oh, okay. Sorry, let me just quickly check if I have any other meetings that. Okay, no, that's fine.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Where can I change my name again? I always forget. I can do it.
I think it's
Oh wait. Rename. Yep. Yep, I've changed.
Give me 1 second.
nice. Wait, I'm trying to find it. I thought I saw it just now.
Oh, I like what Rohit had. Twitter there. Let me change.
What is it? Where is it again? I thought I saw it just now.
You click on your own screen and then you choose rename.
Yeah, just click on the three dots.
Okay, yes.
And then rename.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, because I went to the settings, but I thought I saw it somewhere. Okay, that makes it much easier.
Okay. Hold on. I need to do the background.
Sorry, do you have a script, by the way? Or is it just okay.
We have a script.
I get
Yes,
the link also?
Sure, I'm sending it over now.
Oh, I had already downloaded this. Okay.
So the script is, I think the cues are pretty clear, like pretty straightforward, Jamar, except for, the first bit where, all four of us are spotlighted and then you remove Bury, you remove everyone except for Bury. I've highlighted that part in green for you. And then everything else, I think you can just follow the cue, because it'll be like, oh, passing the floor to Shikai or passing the floor to so and so.
Yep.
Yeah. So and one thing, so I can play the like I can play Shikai and I can play Sergey and I can play the teams, and I will just share my screen for the teams. Yeah.
Awesome.
So I should not be. Yeah, I'm not co-host or anything, right, for this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So only Jamar.
Sorry.
Do you have the link, Jamar, the YouTube?
Where's the YouTube link again? Sorry. Yeah.
It's in the Accelerator channel.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So I guess we start anytime. Wait, I'm gonna stand up for this one. Yes, I always stand up for this much better.
Okay, wait. Let me see if I want to stand up.
I can't stand up.
You can see my silly pants.
This will be my setup. So let me see if it makes sense to stand up. Wait. Okay. Is it? No, I think it's better if I sit. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's better.
Yeah, I'll sit.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So we do a countdown, right? So maybe we'll do the countdown. Okay. So to start, right?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. So 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the demo day of the world's first cross-chain accelerator, the LongHashX Accelerator Cohort 10, in partnership with Axelar. We're very excited to have you join us today. Let me first do a round of introductions. So I'm Buri. I'm the head of platform at LongHash Ventures, and I lead the LongHashX Accelerator. And with me, we have Amir, Michael, and Rohit, who are all part of the venture building team at LongHash Ventures. And you're going to see and hear more from them later today. Now, Axelar is an interoperability network that enables applications to pass messages across chains. Now, this has allowed the 5 projects that are presenting today to develop new cross-chain use cases that will help onboard the next billion users. Now, before we go forward, let me also do a quick introduction to LongHash Ventures and the LongHashX Accelerator. We're a Web3 native accelerator and VC firm with a strong belief in a multi-chain world. We are proud to work together with Axelar to enable a multi- and cross-chain world. Now, LongHashX was founded more than 5 years ago as one of the world's first Web3 accelerators. In that time, we have concluded 10 cohorts, accelerated over 70 projects, and helped them raise over $150 million in fundraising. We have very strong experience in working with emerging and early stage protocols to bootstrap and build their developer communities. Some of the protocols that we worked in the past include Polkadot, Algorand, FIlecoin, and of course, Axelar. And some of the notable alumni that have come through our program include Acala and Astar on Polkadot, Balancer, Paddle01, Lighthouse, Lib Protocol, Mintable, and Xanpool. Now, in addition to the Accelerator, LongHash Ventures has two funds. Our first fund was launched 2 years ago. It was very much focused on DeFi. And our second fund was launched last year. It's a $100 million Web3 fund focused on multi-chain infrastructure. Additionally, we're very excited that we have launched LongHash Web, our on-chain contribution network. And the Axelar cohort was the first cohort to be able to use it to access mentors across that include Web3 founders and Web3 investors. Now, with that, let me pass it on to Amir, who's going to share the agenda for today.
Hey everyone, thanks so much, Biri, for the introduction. Now, for the past 12 weeks, we've been working very closely with Axelar to help the 5 projects that were selected to join this cohort, the world's first cross-chain accelerator. So we've worked on a wide range of Web3 native topics to help the founders take their ideas from concept to Web3 native businesses. So today, you'll be hearing pitches and you'll be watching demos of projects building on very exciting verticals, such as private cross-chain transfers, cross-chain Web3 gaming, cross-chain account abstraction, modular NFT-based escrow payments, and cross-chain hybrid custody. So if you're interested to meet with any of the teams today, we will be emailing you the details of each one of the teams, their pitches, and a form for you to indicate your interest. Now, to start, we would like to invite Shikai, one of the GP of our funds and our COO, to kickstart the event.
Hi, everyone. My name is Shikai, and I love the cross-chain. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shikai, for painting us a cross-chain future. Now, we would like to invite Sergey, the co-founder of Axelar, to share more around Axelar and what excites him in a cross-chain future.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sergey, and I am all about the GMP. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Sergey. Indeed, very exciting things happening in the Axelar ecosystem. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the pitches and the demos. First up, we have Peanut Protocol. And Peanut Protocol, they've created a new crypto primitive. It is a transfer abstraction solution that will change the way you make any kind of transfers in the future. Please welcome Hugo and Conrad.
Hi, everyone. This is Hugo, and this is Conrad, and we send you peanuts. Thank you.
Thanks, Conrad and Hugo, for sharing about Peanut. Now moving into cross-chain gaming. Porting games on-chain has never been simpler. Link allows game devs to build Web3 games in minutes. Introducing Vishwas Bhushan, CEO at Link.
Hi, everyone. This is Vish. I help you launch your Web3 game in under 2 minutes. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Vish, for sharing the future of Web3 gaming and how Link could make the lives of game developers much easier. Now, moving on, we have Banana, which is building a secure cross-chain account abstraction solution to remove current complexities that are preventing the next billion users from using decentralized applications. Please welcome Haq and Rishab.
Hi, everyone. This is Haq. This is Rishab, and we make it easier to do whatever it is for monkeys and whatnot.
Thanks so much, Banana team, for presenting how you could make account abstraction a reality. Next, we move on to talk about Web3 payments. We have Dnota, which aims to solve the current issues with regards to business payments in the Web3 space through a modular NFT-based escrow agreement. I will hand the floor to Rafi, the CEO of Dnota.
Hi, everyone. We're Dnota, and we're sending money via NFTs.
Awesome. Super exciting. Thanks, Rafi, for your presentation. Up next, we have Screen Protocol. We all know we need to take responsibility for our assets going forward, but the current solutions for self-custody will not bring in the next billion users. This is where Screen Protocol comes in with their secure transaction and recovery solution for all smart contract wallets. Welcome Mohit and Gabriel from the team.
Hi, everyone. We are screening things at Screen Protocol. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohit and Garvet, for improving self-custody for all wallet users. Before wrapping up, I'd like to thank our star panel of mentors for supporting the team throughout the program. Your contributions have been recorded on-chain through LongHash Web. For those of you who want to learn more about our LongHash Web program and be a mentor or community scout, please scan the QR code on the left. We'd also like to thank the entire Axelar team for their support to help bring the teams to where they are today. We're very impressed with the growth this cohort has exhibited in the last 3 months, and we wish our founders all the very best. For those of you who are interested to get in touch with our teams, you can scan the QR on the right. You will also be receiving a follow-up email with instructions on how to get in touch with teams if you wish to do so, and we will be facilitating one-on-one introductions over the coming weeks. Now, I'd like to pass on the floor to Michael as we have some exciting news to share.
Thanks so much, Rohit. Before we go, we want to share that our next cohort of the LongHashX Accelerator will be the world's first FIlecoin virtual machine accelerator. This is in partnership with FIlecoin and Protocol Labs. You can scan the QR code on the screen to understand more about the cohort or to apply directly to the cohort. The applications are already open now till mid-May, and the cohort 11 will start mid-June. After today, for any of our insights and news, please go ahead and follow us on Twitter. Our handles are @LongHashX and @LongHashVC, or go to our website, longhash.vc. And with that, we would like to conclude today's demo day. Thank you again to our audience of investors, founders, and community members who joined us today to virtually meet other projects. Thank you everyone for attending the 10th cohort of the LongHashX Accelerator's demo day. Goodbye.
Yep. Okay, I think it was a good run. Just need some help on the actual slides for the last two.
Yeah, and
I've already prepared it.
Okay, yeah, I also had some feedback because there's a couple of things. Oh, but how do you? Is there any reason it's on Canva?
There's none. Like we could download it as PowerPoint, etc.
Or like just the Google Slides. I think it's a bit easier. Because I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Because the problem with Canva is you have like 3 steps. You have to click present and which view. And even right now, it's not. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So a couple of things that I observed. I think one, Amir, I think you started out way too loud. I don't know if anybody else got that as well, but like, oh, it's a little bit too loud. So okay. I love the enthusiasm, but I think people's ears might be, the eardrum might get punctured. And then the other thing, this one I noticed, Rohit and Amir, a couple of things. One is go a little bit slower. I think it was a bit fast. I think Michael's pace was a bit better. So a little bit slower so that people can understand and hear you. I mean, it's not like we are pressed for time because it's only 5 projects, right? And then one other thing which Rohit I observed, but only the first time, is I think when Peanut ended, you jumped too quickly to introduce Link. So I think just like give it a pause so that, because it always takes like about a second for your screen to appear. Otherwise I think it's fine. I guess so. One question I have is who is going to share the slides with the QR code? And also I have a question, right? Because actually these slides, I guess they're not ready because the one I'm seeing here, so let me just share my screen. So the one I'm seeing on Canva has only one QR code in the middle, but then Rohit says, oh, the QR code on the left, the QR code on the right. Maybe we could just have 2 separate pages, right? So that's one thing, right? We could have.
I think this one's designed for the second part that we've written when we're not introducing FCM. the next accelerator.
Ah,
Yeah.
Wait, I
No, because it's still two separate QR codes.
Yeah.
One is to join as a mentor or scout, and one is
Yeah.
to meet the teams.
Yeah, because
Okay,
in the second part, we divided it between me and Michael. So you can see it's just one. It mentions
Oh.
mentor. Yeah, I
no,
guess.
yeah.
but the second slide is FVM anyway. So like,
Yeah, so I
I
guess
think
it
what
needs to
Biri
be
is trying to
updated.
say
Need
is
to
there
add
should be
the
there should
Yeah,
be
yeah.
a
Agree.
Yeah.
Mm.
So okay, one other thing, by the way, is I still haven't heard back from the lawyers, and I'm supposed to get on a call with them. So I'm pretty sure we will not launch FEM on Tuesday morning. So let's just then plan to go with version
Okay.
2, which is a non-FEM one. So even just to make it easy, can I just delete version 1?
yes, go.
yeah.
Yeah, I think
If
that's
anything,
better.
Yes.
if anything, we can always go back to the history. So
Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, it's not going to happen so fast. Unfortunately, Protocol Labs takes forever. So, okay, so then we're going to have. Yeah, I think this also makes more sense, right? Because then you have one QR code. You say, okay, if you want to be a mentor or a scout, QR code in the screen, blah 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 blah, and then we go to the next page. So who's going to project? Is it Jamar or should I? I mean, I'm happy to do it.
I think it should be either.
It should be someone else because I'll be spotlighting them. Like
Yeah.
it takes
Okay, I
3
can do it.
seconds
I can do
to
it.
also share screen. Yes.
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's put that in the run sheet. Or also,
There was something else, by the way. What was the other thing else? I think there was something
I
else.
have something. So when we're not speaking, we should be muted. So at the start, I think all 3 venture builders were not muted, and so always be wary of that, I guess. Yeah, that's one.
Yeah.
And then another thing is, Jamar, we have to practice you dropping the links for Peanut. We haven't practiced that yet.
Yeah. That should.
Oh,
be
actually, but those
relatively
we're gonna put in the chat, right? In the YouTube chat.
YouTube
Yes.
chat. Yes.
Then I should do it because Jamar is very busy with like that stuff, so I can do it.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So Buri, you'll do it. Okay. So you need to log in, right? You need to log in to YouTube first to be able to drop the comment.
Oh, I need
Are
to
you one
create
of
a
the-
channel. Oh no, I don't want to create a channel.
Or I think you just have to log in with your
No.
Google.
You don't need to create a channel.
It says
could be
create a
assigned to
channel
your-
to join the chat. I guess we can use our own, I suppose.
I think you can log in via Ops for the
Yeah. I will do that. Do we have the links? No, right?
No, not yet. Not yet.
yet.
Okay. Yeah.
Do we need to practice that?
Yeah, it's just sending a link, so we can choose not to.
Choose not to practice.
Yeah, maybe let's just ask the actual word queue from their script. When will it be posted? Or is it a slide? Is it when they say something?
Yeah. So they will say like during the presentation they'll say, so here are 10 peanut links for you to try. Don't be greedy or something of the sort. It's verbal cue. Do you want like a specific script and like for us to exactly know when?
Yeah, that will be better. So
Yep, I'll message them. We should. Okay. Yeah. Biri, do you refer to the script mainly or the run sheet? Just want to add like your cues for sharing screen and adding comments.
The script.
Okay.
Yeah, the script.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
I'll
easy.
highlight your points in blue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, Michael, do we have a type form for mentor and scout combined?
Yes.
The title
Um,
is
Do you want to link to a Twitter thread instead for them to understand about the program, or do you want to go straight to the form?
yeah, we can do any.
I think the thread is better because the thread itself has the
Has the FAQ and everything. Is
yeah.
it? Then do we do the LongHashX or the LongHash Ventures thread? Because there's both of them are still up.
Let's do the LongHashX one. I think. Let me find.
Oh, there's like this is a very minor thing, but I realized that when you drop the links on the comment section on YouTube, there's a 30-second lag between when Hugo says it and when it should be there, right?
Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it doesn't matter too much. Yeah, it shouldn't matter too
True.
much. But it's just a funny thing, just something that is realized. So
Jamal,
Wait,
just
what if
drop
they
me-
just use certain QR code in their slide? So
but they'll have 10 links though, so it'll be 10 QR codes. Yeah,
okay.
yeah, that's a good idea, but yeah.
This one, Michael, or this one?
No, the previous one.
This one, because it's bigger. Because it has the block.
Yeah, you have the
sure.
block. And in the slide, can you say long hash web and then apply as mentor or scout?
Where is it? There.
Yeah. Can you say long hash web at the top? Yeah. And also for the next slide, can you add our handles and then the website below that?
At LongHashX and then LongHash.vc.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we when you fetch up this slide, we also ask them to follow us. Yeah.
Okay, got this.
No worries, you can do it later.
Yeah. Okay. Then anything else?
I think that's all. Okay, so there's a few new like things added. Do we want to do like a quick dry run across the new things? AKA
You can.
All right. Also wanna dry run my volume. I think it depends on like which earphone or which headphone I use. So I'll use this so I don't have to adjust it.
Do you use a mic
Oh, wait.
or it's just your earphones?
No, it's here. It's here.
Oh.
Yeah.
In that
Okay.
case, let me get my earphone because right now I'm in the room and I'm not using my earphone. But on that day, I should be using it. 1 second.
Okay. Yeah. You sound okay though. You sound fine.
You should at least practice with the setup that we're going to use.
Okay. So I will. Yep. Is this okay too? I'm using my AirPods now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I will probably do it at home on that day.
Are you alone in the office now?
I'm in a small room in the office.
Or
That's why.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why it's
okay.
very quiet here. But at home, I don't know. Sometimes the neighbors will shout.
Okay. Are we doing a full run again?
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it. Just need to bring up the. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I'll be on mute.
Yeah. So I think and then Michael, you should go on mute as well.
Okay, let me just open my script. Okay, all right, anytime you're ready.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the demo day of the world's first cross-chain accelerator, the LongHashX Accelerator Cohort 10 in partnership with Axelar. We're very excited to have you join us today. Let me start by doing a short introduction to our team. I'm Buri. I'm the head of platform at LongHash Venture, and I lead the LongHashX Accelerator. With me today, we have Amir, Michael, and Rohit. They're all part of the venture building team, and you'll see and hear more from them later today. Now, Axelar is an interoperability network that enables applications to pass messages across chains. This has allowed the 5 projects that are presenting today to develop new cross-chain use cases that will help onboard the next billion users. Now, before we begin, let me also introduce LongHash Ventures and the LongHashX Accelerator. We're a Web3 native accelerator and VC firm with a strong belief in a multi-chain world. We're proud to work together with Axelar to enable a multi- and cross-chain future. Now, LongHashX was founded more than 5 years ago as one of the world's first Web3 accelerators. In that time, we have run 10 cohorts, accelerated over 70 projects, and helped the projects raise over $150 million in funding. We have very strong experience in working with emerging and early stage protocols to bootstrap and build their developer communities. Some of the ecosystems we worked with in the past include Polkadot, Algorand, FIlecoin, and of course, Axelar. And some of the notable alumni that have graduated from the LongHashX Accelerator include Acala, Astar, Balancer, Huddle 01, Lighthouse, Lib Protocol, Mintable, and Xanpool. Now, in addition to the accelerator, LongHash Ventures also has 2 funds. Our first fund was launched 2 years ago with a mandate to invest in the DeFi vertical. And our second fund was launched last year. It's a $100 million Web3 fund focused on multi-chain infrastructure investments. In addition to that, we're very excited that we recently launched LongHash Web, an on-chain contribution network for mentors to LongHashX. And this was the first cohort to ever use LongHash Web as a way to access mentorship from Web3 founders and Web3 investors. Now, let me pass it over to Amir, who's going to share the agenda for today.
Thanks so much, Buri, for the introduction. Now, for the past 12 weeks, we've been working very closely with Axelar, our ecosystem partner, to help the 5 projects that were selected to join the world's first cross-chain accelerator. Now, we've worked with them on a wide range of Web3 native topics to help the founders take their ideas from concept all the way to becoming Web3 native businesses today. So, you'll be hearing pitches and watching demos of projects building on very exciting verticals, such as private cross-chain transfers, cross-chain Web3 gaming, cross-chain account abstraction, modular NFT escrow payments, cross-chain hybrid custody, and cross-chain hybrid custody. If you're interested to meet with any of the teams today, we'll be emailing you the details of each of the teams, their pitches, and a form for you to indicate which teams you'd like to meet. And now, we'd like to kickstart the event by inviting Shikai, one of the GP of our funds and our COO, to the stage.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shikai, multi-chain, cross-chain, and interoperability. Thank you.
Very exciting. Thank you so much, Shikai, for painting us the cross-chain future. Now, we would like to invite Sergey, the co-founder of Axelar, to share more around Axelar and what excites him in the cross-chain world. Barry, you're
Oh.
muted.
Yeah, I think you weren't muted, but your audio, I can't hear you. Yeah, I don't think.
What
Oh,
about
you're there. Yeah.
No, I was
it's
just because I was changing the microphone because usually,
okay.
hold on.
No.
You cannot be heard.
Yeah, okay.
No.
All right, never mind.
Yeah. Okay. You may end your speech.
Yes,
Sergey.
I ended. All right.
Thanks, Sergey, for sharing about the very exciting things happening in the Axelar ecosystem. Now, let's start with the pitches and the demos. First up, we have Peanut Protocol, and they have created a new crypto primitive. It is a transfer abstraction solution that will change the way you make any kind of transfers in the future. Please welcome Hugo and Conrad.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Hugo and I'm Conrad, and we're here with Peanut Protocol. Thank you.
Thanks, Conrad and Hugo, for sharing about Peanut. Now moving into cross-chain gaming, porting games on-chain has never been simpler. Link allows game devs to build Web3 games in minutes. Introducing Vishwas Bhushan, CEO at Link.
Hey, everyone. This is Vish, Web3 gaming and whatnot. Thank you.
Thanks, Vish, for sharing all about the future of gaming and how Link could make the lives of game developers easier. Now, moving on, we have Banana, which is building a secure cross-chain account abstraction solution to remove the current complexities that are preventing the next billion users from using decentralized applications. Please welcome Hak and Rishabh.
Hi, everyone. This is Hak and Rishabh, and we are giving away bananas to monkeys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Banana team, for presenting your idea on how to make account abstraction a reality. Next, we move on to talk about Web3 payments. We have Dinota, which aims to solve the current issues with regards to the business payments in the Web3 space through a modular NFT-based escrow agreement. With that, I'll hand the floor to Rafi, the CEO of Dinota.
Hi, this is Rafi, CEO of Dinota. Thank you.
Thank you, Rafi, for your presentation. Up next, we have Scream Protocol. We all know we need to take responsibility for our assets going forward, but the current solutions for self-custody will not bring in the next billion users. This is where Scream Protocol comes in with their secure transaction and recovery solution for all smart contract wallets. Welcome, Mohit and Gavin.
Sorry, I started screen sharing too early, but probably a good way to practice in case we need to like stop somebody from screen sharing. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mohit and Garvit, for improving self-custody for all wallet users. Before wrapping up, I'd like to thank all of our star panel of mentors for supporting the team throughout the program. Your contributions have been recorded on-chain through LongHashWeb. For those of you who want to learn more about our LongHashWeb program and be a mentor or community scout, please scan the QR code on the screen. We'd also like to thank the entire Axelar team for their support to help bring the teams to where they are today. We are very impressed with the growth that this cohort has exhibited in the last 3 months, and we wish our founders all the very best.
And for those of you who are interested to get in touch with the teams, you can scan the QR code on the screen. You will also be receiving a follow-up email with instructions on how to get in touch with the teams if you wish to do so. And we will be facilitating those one-on-one introductions over the coming weeks. After today, for any of our latest insights and news and on our next cohort, please do follow us on Twitter. Our handles are @LongHashX and @LongHashVC, and please go to our website, longhash.vc. And with that, we would like to conclude today's demo day. Thank you again to all our audience of investors, founders, and community members who joined us today to virtually meet the projects. Thank you everyone for attending the 10th cohort of the LongHashX Accelerators demo day. Goodbye.
All right. Buri, how is the pace and
Yeah.
volume?
Yeah, I think it was good. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I think it was good.
I have a couple of things. So firstly, Buri, do you want to test out the comments? Putting the comments.
Okay, but hold on because I need to log on. I need to go somewhere else and log in. Do we have I guess some link? Okay, I guess we need to then.
I think just
start
send
over,
anything.
right?
I don't think we need to start over because it's just sending the comment, but maybe we just test to see if everything's okay in terms of how it look like.
Okay, just let me sign. Hold on.
It's also in one password. The credentials for.
And then
Just hold on, let me get the link.
Meanwhile, Jamar, can you add LongHashVC as well for the Twitter handle?
Sure. Actually, the layout will eventually change. There'll be a Twitter icon and then text.
Yeah.
Twitter icon text and then
Yeah.
also, do you guys see? Okay, so at the start when when all of us were being spotlighted, and then after that, Jamar, you removed everyone from the spotlight except for Buri.
Yes.
on
So
YouTube,
the manual process I did for that one is I remove everyone and then I will pin again. I will spotlight again.
do you think it's because if you do that, then everyone like in the screen will be seen?
Yeah. Even the founders, right?
The other founders.
So
Can you manually?
the alternative is manual remove.
Yeah, I think that's
one
fine.
by one.
Yeah.
Yes.
So one by one, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Actually, sorry, one quick one. Oh, okay. Because we start the four of us, then you remove one by one.
Yeah, that
Oh.
will be the next case. Because what I did in both sessions, there's a remove all spotlight, and then I spotlighted you again, Buri. So that might be the reason why.
Yeah, hold on, let me see. Oh, yeah, but then everybody will be seen. Yeah.
I think one by one is probably better.
Yep.
What do you guys think?
Yeah.
That will be the.
Yeah,
But it's
because
also the same when you transition between, let's say, Rohit to me, right? So you would have to spotlight me and then remove Rohit.
Oh no, there's
No.
a thing called replace spotlight.
Yeah.
Oh, replace.
But it's only for one at a time.
Yeah, 1:1.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, but that's fine. I mean, that's just like the one thing that needs to be done. Yeah.
Okay, anyway, next steps for me is to clean up the slides and convert it to Google Slides.
Yes, that would be great. Thank you. Yeah, because it'll be easier, I think.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then Oh, I haven't seen protons, by the way. Michael, how do you feel in terms of like how much more do we need to do for proton?
I think the slides are fine, but the demo, I don't think they should have a demo, to be honest.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine.
I
It's better not to have a demo.
Oh, but they're just gonna like have slides and verbalize what it look like, right? The user flow or something.
Yeah. Doesn't look really good.
Okay.
The demo. It's quite because they're trying to say that they are helping with the UX as well, but the UX is right now it's not good.
Okay.
So I'll jump on a call later today with them. So maybe we can fix something there.
Yeah, the 5:30 one, right?
Yep.
Right.
We'll only play the video if there's some problem with their live demonstration, correct?
Yeah.
It's only backup.
Oh,
Okay.
should we have like a protocol on this? Like
how
who will verbalize? do we have any existing protocol on this? Like, AKA, if I don't know,
On what
Link,
side?
if like let's say the internet connection for Link's really bad, steps in and announces, oh, we're gonna be showing their recording instead.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, we've done it before, right?
I think a core protocol could be the one who introduced the team should be the one who will step in and say that, oh, we're gonna play the video instead.
Okay.
So what do we have to do? We just have to share our screen and play the video in full screen. That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
We also need to allow the audio, right?
How do we
Yeah.
make sure
When
the
you
audio?
click share screen, select the frame, click the audio, and then share.
That means each one of us should have the. Okay. I'm compiling
Can you show
Should
one
we-
demonstration? How we
Should
do
we
it?
set it to one person? I think that would be
Sorry, guys, give me 1 second.
easier.
Then
1%. Yeah. I mean, I think I'm happy to do it. Okay. Then if that's the case, I'll do it then. So then, if anything were to happen, even from a operational perspective, I guess that makes sense,
Yep.
right? Then Jamar just has to like spotlight one person rather than remember
Yeah.
who did it before. Okay.
you said, Rohit, that demo. So basically, click share, and then you select your frame. Let's say this frame, and then you click the share sound on the lower left.
Oh,
Then
okay,
you
okay.
hit share. If you forget the
Got it.
share sound, then it won't have a sound. So that's usually the error.
Got it. Thanks.
But I think Jamar, I think we're gonna go with me.
Just yeah.
Oh, just one person. Yeah.
Yeah.
okay.
So if there's any technical failures with regards to the projects, just spotlight me, and then I'll share. I'll give like an announcement or like a statement, and then I'll share. Should be fine. Like, this never happens, but this is
Yeah.
just in case.
Just in case. So sorry. So who will be then? Who will be? So how do we?
So
I was gonna say.
so if let's say something were to happen to screen, right? Screen protocol, then Jamar will spotlight me. I'll say, hey everyone, sorry about this. We're experiencing some technical difficulties. In the meantime, what we'll do is we'll share a recording of their pitch.
Okay.
And
so
then
regardless
I'll
of
share.
team, any team, I'll put you in
Yeah.
the spot.
Yeah, because after like I don't think I need to refer to the script much, because mine is hefty at the start. So at least I can like have this ready in case, because everyone else will be speaking afterwards.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll have it ready then.
Yeah, it's
but
better also to have it offline than Google Drive.
So like who will be the so who will be the person responsible for each? So for example, if Peanut doesn't work, who will project? Okay.
Amir will project for all the teams.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, got it. Okay, cool. That's awesome. Yeah, great. Thank you. Yeah, that's easier. Yeah. Okay, cool.
By the way, your lighting, everyone, is this the lighting that you're gonna be using for the final one?
This is
Yeah,
mine.
for me, it kind of depends, because right now it's like pouring down with rain, so it's a bit dark. So it kind of depends on the weather.
Okay.
This is gonna be mine regardless. Is this fine?
Yeah, I don't know if I can.
Yes.
See, if I do
Yours
this,
is
it
light
just comes from
enough.
this side.
But for me, it's going to be slightly different because I'm in a makeshift arrangement right now. But I'll be shifting to my new place, but it'll have proper lighting and everything. So no worries.
Nice.
Then also make sure that there's enough head space.
Yeah.
above
I'll use
your
my
head.
iPhone camera. I'll set it up. Right now, I'm just using my laptop, and arrangement is all over the place. So don't worry about that.
Then it should be fine.
Okay. I'll test it out at home tonight or tomorrow.
Okay. So we're good?
Yep.
Awesome.
All right. Okay. Thanks, everyone.
All right. See you all.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Oh, Buri,
Bye.
will you be joining the call with Banana?
Yeah, I can join.
Awesome.